Hi everybody, and thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Today I just wanted to show you how I use the patch tool on Photoshop CC to clean up some of my photos. So let's first start with this image that I took of Emily. It's on a wooden bridge, and before we do any editing, I always make a copy of it. So if you look here in my lower right, I'm just going to drag the image down and I make it a different background copy. I'll go ahead and just work on the copy. Now, what I'm talking about cleaning up is you see these white stains, or basically bird stains that are along the floor of the bridge, and these wooden panels or wooden handrails up here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean that up using the patch tool. The patch tool, you can either use the shortcut J, or you can come up here and use the patch tool. So before we do that, I like to zoom in first at 100%, so that way I can see it better. The ones that are more in focus are usually a little bit more tricky, but the ones that are a little bit out of focus, then those are easy. You just get a circle and you move to the right. If you can see, once I click, if you're using your mouse or a pad, you let go, it does a circle, and you see that little arrow that moves to the right, just move it to the right. Stay on the same line in this particular case because there's a line there, but it's something very quick. Now, I know there's different ways that you can use to make these corrections on Photoshop, but this is just one of the ways that I use this tool because I don't know, it feels for me it's quick, it's easy, and some people may think, well, Ray, why are you spending so much time on such small items in a photo? And I say, well, the reason I do this is because I like my photos to really stand out, and I don't like to have small items like this detract or kind of have my eyes move to the left or to the right because they're there. So by cleaning them up, my eyes would just be focused, or the person's would be just focused on what I was taking the photo of. In this case, it's Emily. So I'm just going to go through like this and I'll show you the end result. And I believe there's a few more. Is there? I thought there was more over here. I guess not. Maybe there's some more. Yes, I need those down here. And there we go. There might be some up here. Maybe not. Let's see here. Get rid of these as well since I'm at it. And I think that should be it. Right, let's see here. I think so. So this is the final product. And this is what it looked before. You could see in the left, and this is what it's after. See? And that's very simple. So it's the shortcut key J for the patch tool on Photoshop CC. And I hope this short tutorial was very helpful for you. And thank you. And stay tuned for more videos.